Hey, what are you doing here? This is my private space.
Not tonight, octonaughty! Watch how us work with Sneeze.
Not until I break the curse, Octoblock. You are getting.
Alright then, go for it! Go! Sneeze! Huh? Aww, it didn't work.
You'll match your match, go and stop with Sneeze. Oh, help me, please. Not tonight, Octoflop.
Why isn't the magic working? Let's stop and think this through. You were holding Sneeze's hand when 72's tried to sneeze, but it didn't work. Oh, that's okay. But I know what I need to do now. 72, are you ready? Super Sneezer 72 here. Let's do this.
And I will make you number out. Let's do this.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this, 72. Make your own super sneeze. Go! Sneeze! Achoo!
Oh, you'll never get away.
Stop!
Octoblock free! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, free! Haha, yeah!
Hey! Woohoo!
I'll catch you next time, Octoflop!
Hooray! Hooray! Great job, 72! You were great out there! Why, thank you. Oh, so, if you ever need a super sneezer like me, just call me, 72! Sneeze you later! Achoo!